Statistical probabilistic sampling, including methods like random, stratified, and systematic sampling, involves selecting a smaller data subset from a larger population for analysis. This process is essential in statistics as it allows for efficient data collection and insights into populations without examining every element. One notable method is simple random sampling, where each element has an equal chance of selection. Now, to estimate Algerian student immigration probability, we'll use a database with 100,000 student records. Using random sampling in MS Excel, we'll extract 100 students to create a representative sample. We'll then send them a survey to gather information on migration plans. As you can observe, the dataset contains various variables, including student IDs, names, ages, wilaya, and email addresses. Now, out of a population of 100,000 students, our objective is to extract a representative sample. To achieve this, we initiate the process by generating random probabilities ranging from 0 to 1 for each individual by using the area function. It's essential to note that this function updates with each operation. To address this, we convert the function results into static values by copying and pasting the first columns as values. Subsequently, we can sort the entire sample or the entire data set in descending order. So firstly, we select the data, and then we sort the data using the alia values in descending order, and then select the top 100 students with highest probabilities. Once the sample is obtained, we can copy it to a new spreadsheet and then delete unnecessary columns. Now we can proceed to email the selected students with a survey link to get more information. Thank you for your attention.